Susan, attention! I've decided to make a wish map.
That's new. Let's see what you're plotting at.
I've gathered everything you like. Your favorite landscapes, rainbows, sweets, and me, of course. Okay, give it back. I'm in a hurry. Here are the scissors and some pretty tape. All we need is to connect my phone to the printer.
There's a problem here. Ours can only print in black and white.
What? No! I've had such a plan!
Oh, Sammy, we could go to a print shop this evening?
Why? Why can't we just take a photo and immediately print it out?
That's right. We can make a Polaroid camera for this. Come with me.
Hey, wait! Not so fast! Well. What do we have here? Hi, guys! Today we're making a craft right from the past!
Then we should go back to RetroView and everything. Give me that.
Hey!
Aren't you gonna help me with this craft? I can start without you.
Not on my watch! I won't miss a chance to make a Polaroid myself!
Here, draw a sidewall then, and I'll draw another one here.
Okay! What is she doing back there?
Hey, why are you peeking?
I just wanted to make sure that I made everything for our Polaroid camera right.
Do you know what you should actually call it? An instant camera! That's right!
What? But why does everyone call it a Polaroid then?
The Polaroid company made it a huge success, but the first instant camera appeared in 1946. It's a real rarity.
Huh? Holy cannoli, guys, did you know that? Whoa!
Give a thumbs up if you learned something new. And bam! This one is almost cut out. Get ready for the pieces.
Let's see what we have here. Aha! The side piece! Sue, go on!
While Sam was talking, I already made everything. Sammy, where are you?
I'm here! Let's see! There are tiny holes here and here. Interesting!
Intruders! Grab them quick!
Hey, stop! I'm your best friend!
Ah! That was a nice break. Snap! Making the other side is a piece of cake.
My research went so well that I made copies myself! Hey! Over here! The delivery's here, Sue!
Wow, new pieces have arrived so soon. Awesome! Now we should put them together. Making this craft is pretty easy. Start with double pieces.
You make the bottom side and I'll make the right side! Or is it the left one?
It doesn't matter. Just put them together. Aha, like this.
Miss Suzanne, we won't be able to take cool pictures in such a scarce box.
You're right.
Oh, color photos need a colorful camera.
Guys, let's make up all of the pieces. Pick your favorite colors and go along. Here, everything is ready and we can assemble the box.
Hey, Sue! Oops. Here, take this glue.
Thanks, my helper. Can you bring me another side too?
Sure thing, Sue. I'm fast as a lightning bolt. Woohoo! Sue, I'm here. Here, take this.
Thanks. You're fast as Flash, but not as fast as our instant camera mechanism.
Oh, is this part of the mechanism you were talking about?
That's right. We're assembling it next. Stay tuned, guys. Sammy, we're waiting for you here. What is taking you so long?
Who knew that making an old camera would be so hard?
Yay! Congratulations, Sammy! You made it!
How much corrugated cardboard do we need? Stop it! I got it! Too many!
Just enough to finish up the camera mechanism.
Oh, do we have to roll over more pieces? I'm in! Aha!
Okay, let's see. Oh, here is a nice place for you. Will you fit in?
Sure! Just a sec! Hop! We slimes are good at squeezing in anywhere!
Whoa! This was cool!
Check it out! Our pieces look identical!
Great news! It means that we can do this! See? How do you like the result?
Sorry, but you violated the craft rules. You didn't explain what to do with this!
Sam, give me that! Come on! Ugh! Thank you, officer. Now we can move on to the next stage.
Be careful, Miss Susan! Should I call for mechanic service? I can't handle it!
Not yet. We're a great team ourselves.
Guys, do you want to get some instant photos?
Make a printing mechanism using just small motors and cardboard. And this part is ready. Here are the wires. Red with the red one, black with the black one.
The secret will be hiding inside the box. You're the only witnesses! Sue, I've got something for you!
This is important. Put the connector and the motor together using the red wire.
Huh? What about the black one? We can't leave it like that, right?
Of course not! It will be connected to the button by a metallic plate.
So you need an engineer, right? You're lucky I'm here, Susan!
Yeah, this channel would be empty without you. Right, guys?
Sue, what is this? Help!
It's just me, Sammy. Come on! Wire, search for metallic plate. Oh, here it is. The shape is different, though.
Where is this wire leading to? Aha! I got it! So, this can construction will launch the motors all together?
Yeah, and then these Polaroids will… Ugh, this won't do. They will eventually fall off.
They won't if you make a frame to hold the Polaroids together.
That sounds great. Thanks, Sammy. We'll do this and place it right here. Let's test it. Ugh, it seems like they're too small. I need help, Sammy.
It's because Polaroids look a bit differently.
Oh, that's better. So, Sammy, what's next?
A short break for selfies, then we'll proceed. Susie, what is this scheme doing here?
Sammy, you're so late. Come on, move you. Hey, I need that.
Ah!
Snap.
Shiver me cheddars! Where did it go?
That's a big secret. Right on time. Now, do you know how people used to develop these photos?
They shook or waved it, maybe?
Yeah, even though it was very wrong and could have ruined the photo.
Holy cannoli! It worked in our case anyway!
That's right, but we're not done yet. I've already made a few creases here.
Okay, cardboard, move to the camera!
Punishment is not the right way here. Come here, buddy. I've got nice pieces of film for you. Yay! Gotcha! Now let's glue everything up.
Finally, let me see! Well. Hey, I can't see anything! Where's the focus?
You need one more piece here. How is it now?
Guys, can you see that too?
Wow, hey, hello there! This craft is starting to assemble itself.
We should add something to hold this in its place.
You're right. Any ideas?
I'd say a ready solution. Just attach a wooden spatula to it.
Okay. Thanks, Sam. You're a really wise slime. Guys, follow my lead. Let's test how the mechanism works. Aha! Check out those motors swirling.
Sue, come on! Hurry up and finish the craft while everything still works.
Give me that viewfinder, Sammy.
This one? Nope.
Ugh. Oh, Sammy. We are going to attach this thing right here. There we go. You look here and see the image through this window. Cool, huh?
The most important part is the place for the decor. I should take a photo of a photo camera. It's a rare chance. Say, slimy! Whoa!
You've reminded me about the flash. We'll place it here like in a real-life camera.
Aha! Can I have my photo shoot on the retro camera? My followers will go wild!
Wait a bit longer. We're almost done here. Hup.
Huh? Susie, this hole wasn't in the original plan. Ah!
Sammy, watch out, or this bushing would knock you off.
No way! I was out to bring this piece for the lens.
Right on time. We can put these two together. Looks quite realistic already, right?
Not without the lens itself for sure.
We'll attach it to the narrow base. Catch it, Sammy.
Wow, the finishing touch is on me! Embedded in the hole. I did it! Hey, hold on! What are you plotting at?
I want to write something inspiring on the front. Let's see. Yeah! Something like this will do. What do you think?
I'm digging it! Hey, Susie, let's make your first photo! I'll place it on my wish map.
Oh my! How should I stand?
Act as you always do! This would be the best!
Oh, it's like a dream come true! Oh, I just love this one!
Wow! Snap! Well! Snap and snap! Smile, Susie! Hey! Where's my instant photo? Huh?
Let me check. Give it to me. Let's see. Oops! Seems like it ran out of film.
What? Already? Oh, I've only taken this many pictures!
Well, it's enough to fill out a whole photo album.
Holy cannoli! Can we? Can we make an album in the future videos? I have a dozen ideas!
Would you like that, guys? Give a thumbs up if you would want to see it.
And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss it! Here, click this bell button!
And see you in the next video. Bye-bye.
Stay slimy!